Okay guys, so yun nga no, nagising tayo ng ganito, profit natin, and this is because yun nga, Fed rate stays at 4.5%, so neutral, steady, hindi nagbaba, hindi nagtaas, and this is actually posted sa Telegram community natin na kapag yun nga, strong data yung US sa ADP or sa non-farm, basta lahat ng high impact news before the FOMC or this week's news before the FOMC and the interest rate announcement, no, lahat yon kapag strong data, neutral yan si interest rate. So again, there's a correlation nga, kino-correlate lang natin yung magiging galaw ng market, no. So ganun yung tira natin sa pagte-trade natin. So hindi lang basta technicals, hindi lang tayo basta makakita ng formation or what, we also correlate yung mga economic news, mga pinaghandaan natin yung mga high impact news, and we use technical analysis to enter precisely, no, kung saan talaga tayo pwedeng umentry, saan tayo pwedeng umexit, not the sole basis ng ating mga trades. So again, yung movement ng market is all about yung kwento, no, the narrative. It's not just about the technicals. Kapag nakita ng mga traders, hindi, head and shoulders ganito. No, it's not 100%, and it all depends sa sentiment, no. So again, hindi naman 100% din yung sentiment. Pwedeng may giyera tulad nung Iran and Iraq, Israel and Iran war, no. So saglit lang, pero hindi tumaas yung gold noon. Actually bumaba nga siya. So again, there's no 100%, but at least we have a solid basis kapag meron tayong economic news na sinusundan, no? So we base it on the sentiment, on the kwento, and then we enter the market precisely via technical analysis. And there, I invite you to join our Telegram community, where we provide, no, trade ideas and trade signals, and on how to achieve sustainable trading dito sa natin, no, sa pagte-trade natin, especially with gold. So I'd like to see you there. Thank you so much.